It is official. Workers at Kaiser Permanente have voted yes to authorize a strike.
This decision will impact tens of thousands of health workers around Southern California. News 8's Chris Crow live in Kearney Mesa with more on why they are taking this stand here. Chris?
This is a pretty big development, but strikes aren't happening right now. They still legally have to notify Kaiser Permanente about 10 days out before they do this. However, this would be a really good bargaining chip on the side of these healthcare workers who are trying and striving to get better pay and also try to help out with some of the staffing issues they say that they have been dealing with. But the numbers pretty remarkable here. Out of more than 18,000 people that voted, more than 96% of them voted yes to authorize this strike. Now, when all is said and done, we could see tens of thousands of healthcare workers out of the job, out on strike, essentially trying to make sure that they could fight for what they believe that they need, that they've been trying to get in these negotiations, which have been tense. Now, when you look at the wage situation, the union is asking for a 4% pay increase for all of its members over the next 3 years. But Kaiser offered a 1% pay increase with a 1% bonus for each year. And the other issue that the unions are fighting over is the fact that new hires starting in 2023 would be offered a reduced wage. Now, we did speak with a nurse who says these negotiations have been tough. Couple that with the ongoing global pandemic, being on the front lines, they just don't see how it is that they can be constantly overworked and then not paid what they believe they deserve.
We've always heard things of why are you abandoning your patients? And I feel like it's quite the opposite. I feel like we are standing up for our patients, for the quality and the excellence of the care that they should and are deserving to receive. And I feel Kaiser needs to step it up, really needs to step it up. And really, I feel, and this is hard to say, but I feel like they have abandoned their patients for a very long time now.
Now, we did reach out to Kaiser Permanente, and we did get a statement back. It reads in part, quote, "We ask that our employees reject a call to walk away from the patients who need them. Our priority is to continue to provide our members with high-quality, safe care. In the event of any kind of work stoppage, our facilities will be staffed by our physicians, along with trained and experienced managers and contingency staff." Now, to hear more about what Kaiser Permanente had to say in regards to this vote, just go to our website, cbs8.com, and click on that story link. Reporting in Kearney Mesa, I'm Chris Crow for News 8.